Assalamualaikum. So today I want to present about the basic of photosynthesis. Before that, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Adamutini bin Azman. My student ID is 2024778809. My group is 81201A and part 1. My course is Diploma in Plantation Industry Management. So now I want to introduction about photosynthesis. Definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into food and oxygen. So this is the basic formula for photosynthesis. Hmm, Carbon dioxide uh, plus water and light to make a glucose and oxygen. So photosynthesis can be divided into two main stages. Firstly, like dependent reaction, and secondly is like independent reaction. So, like dependent reaction, the location is the lipid membranes of the chloroplast. The process is sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll, which splits water molecules into oxygen, protons, and electrons. This delivers energy carriers ATP and NADPH. Like dependent reaction in photosynthesis requiring light energy, it may be non-cyclic or cyclic. That happen in non-dark. So second is like independent reaction. The location is in stroma of the chloroplast. The process is ATP and NADPH from the light-dependent reaction are used to convert carbon dioxide into glucose through a series of enzyme reagent steps. Like the independent reaction, the reaction of photosynthesis, it does not require light to proceed, unlike the light-dependent reaction that need light to take place. So the next is simple process of photosynthesis. Light-dependent reaction that happens sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll in the chloroplast. This energy splits water molecules into oxygen, proton, and electron. Energy is stored in the form of ATP and NADPH. The second is light-independent reaction. What happens? Then using the energy from ATP and NADPH, carbon dioxide is converted into glucose in the chloroplast. So what do plant needs for photosynthesis? They have four. So the firstly is sunlight. Sunlight serves as the primary source of energy for plant. The second is water. Plants need water to mix with the carbon dioxide in sunlight. The thirdly is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll captures the sunlight and helps turn it into food. And the last one is carbon dioxide. Plants require carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So next is how does photosynthesis work? Photosynthesis works because chlorophyll absorbs from the sun, combining it with carbon dioxide and water to create oxygen. This process transforms from a raw materials into sugar or glucose. So what is glucose? Glucose is a food and another byproduct of photosynthesis is the synthesis of oxygen. So now to talk about why is photosynthesis so important. Here, photosynthesis is important because all things in the world want an oxygen to breathe. So it is important because it produces oxygen. Oxygen is vital for all living organisms to breathe and life. It also serves as the foundation of the food chain, as it provides the primary source of energy for plants and subsequently for herbivores and carnivores. So the last one is conclusion. So in conclusion, photosynthesis is the process by which plant, algae, and some bacteria that use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. So this is process to provide essential energy for plant and release oxygen into the atmosphere, which is crucial for the survival of most living organisms. So that's all for me. I hope you guys enjoy it. You learn something new today. Thank you.